Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will notify. So basically in this video I'm going to walk you through the whole process on how you can actually make money online by doing small tasks. What do I mean by small tasks? Small tasks is by completing different kind of survey, registering website, clicking on a link, by following people on social media platforms to make money online. And trust me, they're going to pay you in dollars. And I'll also teach you how you can actually filter to the best paying service or task you can actually perform on this particular platform to make you money as soon as possible. And also, if you do or complete 5 to 10 tasks per day, you are going to be making from $5 to $10, and that's also depend on how available you are to complete tasks on this particular website. So the particular website which I'm going to show you in this video is Sprout Gig. So what is Sprout Gig and how does it actually work? Maybe you have also heard about the platform before. There is a name which they are actually bearing before, so recently they changed the name. It's called Pico Workers before, but now it's Sprout Gig. On this Sprout Gig, it's an online marketplace that connects freelancer and business owner around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So definitely you are going to see all the jobs are available, and also if you are looking for someone to hire, you can also use this platform to hire anyone you like and anywhere you want. Also, if you want to sign up, you can just click on sign up here. If you search through Google, but for a direct link you can check the description below to find the direct link to this particular website, and you'll be able to proceed from there. So as I just click on the link, so it directs me to the login page, which I already log in on the platform already. But if you are new to the platform, so it will tell you to register, and you'll be able to see the home page interface of this particular website where you can actually get started. So you just need to click on sign up, then you end up to where you can actually put all your information details. But if you follow the link in the description below, you'll be able to land to where you can actually sign up directly without any stress again. And also, after you register your account, you will see this red notification where it says that workers account security alert. If a job takes you to a screen to enter your Sprout Gig login credentials, do not do the job. Immediately report it to the support. This is what a login phishing attempt looks like. All workers must enable 2FA, which is two factors authentication, so that to put their account on the safer side. So that's just that. And if you want to complete a job, so just click on this arrow here, this sign here, so then come down to micro jobs. So on the micro jobs you can see find jobs. So on this particular account I just sign up the account so that I can be able to teach you what you actually need to do. So just click on the find jobs. On the find jobs you'll be able to see different kind of tasks you can actually complete to make money for yourself on a daily basis. I mean daily basis, and there are thousands of tasks you can actually complete. And for this SEO plus promote content plus engagement, this particular buyer need over 4,000 people to complete this task, and the people that already completed this task are 126. So you can see there are a lot of people that this particular buyer still needs to complete this task. On this first one as well, you can see the person need 9,000 people, but over 4,500 has been completed, and so on and so forth. You can see there are lots of jobs on this particular platform which you can complete to make money on a daily basis. Different kind of offers which you can actually complete, sign in, and also you can complete tasks at any time. There is no day on day off on this particular platform. Sign up and start applying for jobs, simple jobs you can actually complete with your mobile phone with stress free. And I also promise to teach you how you can actually filter to the best paying job on this particular platform. So you can see job levels. So if it's a startup job you actually want to apply for, just click on the starter, then click on apply. Then also category as well, you can filter to different kind of category which you want to complete. On this video marketing itself, it means that they are trying to get views on some videos, which is probably YouTube videos. So if you click on video marketing, then click on apply, then you see different offers. So on this particular offer, you can see it's actually loading. It said YouTube, subscribe to channel. So this particular seller wants you to subscribe to our channel. So once you subscribe, you have to make 0.050 cent dollar. So on this particular single offer, you can also filter to another offer as well, probably Reddit, forum, computer, write an article. So you can see there are different offer in here. So you can also filter to location, because some location actually pay well than other African countries as well. Just click on USA and Western. Then on the starter, you can uncheck this, then click on apply. So you might be able to see more offer than just that single offer. So for the sign up, there are some other offers in here as well. So just reload this page, then you'll be able to see more offers. So let me close this. Okay, so this is for sign up offers. So you can see different kind of offers. Let me change this sign up to, and let's see for SEO data entry collection. So let's try this. Basically, there is no job on this particular category or particular section. You can just filter to any of the category you feel like you can actually complete a job or a task on that particular category. Then you'll be able to proceed and complete any offer. As you can see on this particular one, you see $1 per offer per task. So download, comment on article, so you make $1. So new gift card code, you make $1. Download and comment, you make $1.2, you make $0.200. So there are lots. Watch the video 10 seconds. So we are going to watch video on this particular offer. So there are different kind of tasks you can actually use or complete to make money on this platform. And you can see you cannot complete all these tasks in a single day. So you have to come back again and again and again and again to be making money every day on this particular platform. So this is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, you can drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. But trust me, with this particular platform, you can make at least $5 to $10 per day. And also there are still some other freelancing platforms that you can actually use to complete small gigs or small tasks to make money online, which I will be reviewing after this video, because I'm still trying to piling up some other content which I would like to upload on this particular channel. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it's really mean a lot to me, and like this video so that other people can find this video, which are the people that are actually looking for a way to make money for themselves on a daily basis. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.